Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video. So you guys know that my hair is natural, but recently here I've been flat ironing my hair and a lot of you guys were concerned. A lot of you guys kept telling me to be careful with heat damage, and I got so many questions and so many concerns, and it had me worried. So ever since I flat ironed my hair, I think I did it like 2 or 3 times this time because I went to the salon to get it wash and flat iron. I showed you guys that, and I also did it myself, and I also showed you guys that, and then I think I did it one more time. So all the questions and concern had me worried, and I'm like, well damn, is my hair okay? So I'm really nervous. I haven't done anything to my hair since then. All I did was braid it down in little cornrows so that I don't have to continue to flat iron it, and I've been wearing some natural hair wigs. So today is the day that I have decided that I'm gonna wet my hair and try to get it back to its normal stage, or even if it's gonna go back to its normal stage. I don't know that. I've been natural for a few years. A lot of you guys know that if you've been following me for a while. And I always preach against heat damage. Heat damage is one of the worst things you can do to your hair, because when your hair is heat damaged, literally the only thing you can do is to cut it out. So I'm super scared. I preach against heat damage, but I also always say that I usually flat iron my hair about once or twice a year, just because I either want to check my length, or just because I just want to enjoy my hair in a, like a straight state, or if I want to cut my ends off, because that is probably the most accurate way to just know how much to cut off. So I normally do it about once or twice a year. So this year, which is 2020, I've already done it twice. And again, like I said, a lot of you guys kept making those comments, and it had me really nervous and really scared. So now I'm just trying to see if I can get my hair to go back to its normal state. So that is what this video is going to be about today. To do that, I have some braids in right now. I'm going to take my braids out, and I'm also going to be using aloe vera juice and some hot water to try to see if I can get it back to natural. I'm super nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because as I always say, even though I like the straight hair and the wigs and stuff like that, my favorite hairstyle is having my hair in its natural state in a big afro. So if I can't get my hair back to look like that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm super nervous. But first, let me show you guys what my hair looks like, and then we'll try to make it natural again. I swear, y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do if my hair can't go back to natural. So this is what my hair looks like. It's braided into a few cornrows. This is the only one that's left out. So I'm gonna take the braids out, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is basically what it looks like. It is braided up. Then I have this one little braid that I'm gonna take out real quick. And then we're gonna try to wet the rest of my hair to see if it goes back to natural. All right, so we've made our aloe vera juice right here. I have a little bit of warm water in a spray bottle. So these are the 2 things I'm gonna be using for this. I have my handy dandy scissors right here to cut, guys. I'm gonna cut my hair if it's heat damaged. I'm actually gonna cut it. It's gonna grow back, hopefully, but I'm gonna cut it. I can't do the heat damage, okay? Like I said, I've done this before, and my hair usually just bounced back to normal. I've never really worried about my hair not going back to normal, just because I don't do heat a lot. And when I say don't do heat, I'm talking about every single day or even every week putting heat in your hair. For me, I only do it once or twice a year. So it's 2020, it's only March, I've done it twice. I'm not gonna do it again till maybe next year. But what I will say for you guys is everybody's hair is different. You have to study your hair. If you've ever thought about flat ironing your hair and you have any kind of doubt whatsoever that your hair might not revert to normal, then don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You can wear wigs if you want to wear a straight hairstyle. There are other ways to get a straighter look without flat ironing it. Yes, it's not going to be like a silk press or whatever, but at least you're not going to damage your hair. But yeah, if you have any doubts at all, don't do it, guys. Do not do it. Heat damage is the worst, especially if you're going for that natural hair, big, afro look. Don't heat damage your hair because you'll end up cutting it off. I've never really been, worried or concerned about this before, But just because of all the comments I was getting, it had me kind of concerned, like, well, dang, is it gonna go back to normal? So I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very nervous. If it's heat damaged, I mean, the worst I can do is just cut it off and start over again. But I honestly don't want to go through that process. So if I can skip it, I would be happy to skip it. So, okay, I'm just gonna speed through the process here as I take my braids out. Okay, so here we go. I do love the fact that my hair is very, very shiny. It's so clean and shiny. I haven't even done anything to it, but it's just because of all the treatments that I do. And yeah, okay, so for the moment of truth, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair off. I'm gonna section it off and start to wet it and see if it can go from this to natural, because that is where I'm trying to get back to. I'm gonna show you guys the back of it. This is the back view. So I'm gonna make, let's say 4 sections. So this is one section. I'm gonna twist that up. The moment of truth. I'm very nervous, y'all. I'm super nervous. I'm gonna do this portion first. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take my spray bottle first. I'm gonna just do this little section. Okay, I'm gonna do this small little section. Let's see how it turns out. Let me add a little more hair. That's not working. Oh my God. It's not working, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. Let me try the aloe vera. Let's see if that works. What is this? Oh my God. All right, let me do that whole section. Let's do the whole section and see. First, let me comb it out. I switched combs. I'll try this one. All right, I have the water. First of all, this spray bottle is not doing anything at all. Okay, so, all right. I have a little bit of water on there. Look at the ends, super straight. Like, normally they would be so curly by now. All right, I'm gonna try the aloe vera. That's better. Look at the ends. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be curly. It's only getting wavy. I don't see the curliness. It is getting wavy, but I don't see any curls. Okay. Okay, so maybe I should wet it and then just let it sit and move on to the other side. I'll just let this sit and then I'll move on to the other side and come back. Okay, let's come to this side. Okay, take my water, spray it on. Please go back. So that water spray bottle is useless. It looks like it's going back, y'all. See that? Even the ends are starting to curl up. Okay. Let's do this side. Guys, I was about to cry. I'm telling you. You guys know a girl is emotional. Again, it has that waviness to it, but no kinkiness. Oh, look how short this one got already. So I'm just spraying the aloe vera. I'm gonna spray it on, twist it up like this one, and then I'll do the rest, and then I'll come back with you guys. These are what the twists look like. And then I'm gonna do it the old school way, y'all. I'm gonna take this plastic cap, cover my hair with it, and just wait for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes to see what happens. Okay, y'all, so all I can do now is wait. I want my hair to go back to natural, like my natural curls, my natural poof, my natural everything, because you guys have me so concerned, and it does make sense because, you know, heat damage is a real thing. So I'm just hoping and praying that my hair goes back to normal. Right now, I can't really tell just because, you know, some of it looks curly, some of it looks straight, but it's definitely not natural. And I'm hoping and praying that, you know, everything goes back to exactly where it was, that I don't have any heat damaged areas or just weird looking areas, or where the curls are not as kinky in some places as, you know, other places. I just need my hair to go back. So I will be back with you guys with the final result. Okay guys, so it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna take the plastic wrap off and show you guys the final results. Okay, and here we go. Oh my God, I think we're back. My hair shrunk as usual. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we're back. The shrinkage and everything, we're back. Yep, we're back. We're back to natural. Okay, let me take everything out. I think we're back, I don't know. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, y'all, I think we're back. I think we're back to natural. We're back, y'all. I'm so happy. You guys have me so scared and so worried. Yep, my curls are back. They're still nice and beautiful. We're back, y'all. We're back. We are back. Yes, we're back. Absolutely no worries. We are back. We are back to natural. As I told you guys, the back of my hair is definitely curlier than the front. But yeah, definitely we're back. We're back to natural. So this is March of 2020. This is my second time. So I flat ironed my hair twice, and that is it. That is it for the year. I will not touch my hair again until next year as far as heat goes. So yeah, we're good. She's back. She's natural. All her curls are back. And yeah, we're just happy. Okay, so there you have it. Again, what I can say to you guys is if you've ever thought about, adding any kind of heat to your hair or any kind of chemicals, if you have any doubts at all, don't do it. Some people go years with, natural hair and they get one flat iron and it's done. Some people do it as often as weekly or sometimes even daily, and their hair is able to revert back to its natural state. For me, I do it a few times a year. I probably should resist from that, but I just personally know my hair and I know that there's a good chance it's gonna go back to its natural state. So I like to do it because sometimes I like to wear my hair straight. Sometimes I like to wear it in a twist style or in some braids, or I just know my hair. So I know what's gonna work for my hair and I know what's not gonna work for my hair. So as far as flat ironing my hair, you're not gonna see that anytime soon unless it's like a pre-filmed video, which I don't know what videos I have in my stock. But as far as other natural hair videos, you're definitely gonna see a lot more of that. I'm gonna be sharing all my tips and tricks on how I'm able to grow my hair, keep it strong to where it can, withstand heat or heat damage. I'm just going to show you guys all of that. So if you guys want to continue this hair journey with me, I have a lot more natural hair videos coming up, so look out for that. And if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the family. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.